Hey guys, I'm doing a video on this Brilliance Argan Oil shampoo. So I got the shampoo in this bottle, the conditioner in this bottle. This is the deep conditioning mask, hydration mask. And then I got this serum that I'm really excited to use. I'm really excited to use this serum. I will keep you guys updated on how it works for me. I have just got it recently, so I haven't been able to do a full review. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a pretty thick cream for the hair mask. And I will have to say that the smell smells really amazing. It's almost like a floral type of scent. I'm not really good with descriptions, but it smells like floral powder, like powdery, like a powder, if that makes sense. So it smells really good, and yeah, this is what it looks like. I can't wait to start this routine. I'll leave the link below where you can purchase.